On today's video, I share an amazing and potent herbal shampoo for hair thickness, dandruff, and all scalp issues. If you want a shampoo that can make your hair thick super fast, then you're in the right place. You will never regret making this shampoo, and I promise you will say goodbye to store-bought shampoos. This shampoo works really fast in your hair growth and thickness. It also relieves scalp itchiness, cures dandruff, and also helps grow hair on bald spots. All you need for this shampoo is just two simple ingredients that can be found in your kitchen. Please ensure you watch this video to the end as to get all the instructions. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dimma. Please give this video a like and share. To begin, grab a well sterilized bowl like so. I'm using a glass bowl so you can see through what I'm doing. My very first ingredient for today's recipe is flaxseed. Flaxseed helps grow hair faster, thicker, and longer by providing nourishment to the hair follicles. Flaxseed is a reliable source of B vitamins, a group of nutrients that are known for making your hair grow stronger, healthier at a more rapid rate. Flaxseed thickens hair because it contains omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B, vitamin C. They have the power to reduce hair fall, increase hair growth by making hair stronger. For the proportion, we have about 6 tablespoons of the flax seeds. Guys, if you don't have flax seeds, please use the powder. For where to buy this, you can buy this on Amazon or any superstore near you. For my next ingredient, I have black soap. Guys, this is the proper black soap. Please, if you don't have this locally made black soap, you can use the proper ones, the ones that are processed and packaged, like the Dudu Osun that I'm going to be writing on the screen for you. African black soap contains an exceptional blend of ingredients that can help cleanse and heal the scalp and create healthy space for hair growth. Think of it as a clarifying cleanser that exfoliates the scalp, removing dandruff, dirt, and other debris that can inhibit healthy hair. African black soap can help make hair grow faster and become thicker. It can also reduce hair loss from those suffering from this condition. Now, to begin, the first thing that I will do is to turn my stove on. Next, pour about 500 to 600 ml worth of water in the pot. Place it on the heat, cover up, and bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, the next thing you will pour in this water is your flaxseed. Once you transfer your flaxseed in this boiling water, stir to combine this with the water. Cover up the pot. Please do not cover properly. Please do not heat this for long, as that can destroy the omega-3 fatty acids in the flaxseed. So turn off the heat and then transfer your black soap in the hot water. Stir to combine. Make sure to dissolve all the lumps in the black soap. Allow these to cool down completely while everything marry each other. At this point, you can add any other herb that you so desire. You can add cloves to this. You can add 40 powder to this, but that's completely optional. Once this has cooled down completely, I strain to get my shampoo. While straining, if you're not comfortable with the sieve, you can use cheesecloth. So this is my shampoo. This shampoo has a very good slip to it. This shampoo can detangle your hair and make your hair soft after shampooing. I promise you that you will never ever want to buy store-bought shampoo if you make this correctly. So next thing to do is to transfer into my applicator bottle. So this is my applicator bottle. With the help of a funnel, I transfer that to the applicator bottle. Look at that slip, guys. Look how amazing this is. I promise you, you will never ever look at store-bought shampoo again after using this shampoo. In 2 weeks, your hair is going to thicken up and you are going to see growth. This is one shampoo that you shouldn't miss trying out. If you want super fast hair growth, please add cloves to yours. If your hair doesn't love cloves, please you can skip that, but that's completely optional. I'm going to be showing you how I use this amazing shampoo to shampoo my hair. That is after pre-pooing and rinsing out. So this is me trying out this shampoo for you all to see. So like you already know, I love to work in sections, even if I'm shampooing or doing anything to my hair. As you can see, my hair is parted into 12 chunky twists, and I'm shampooing section by section. Don't forget that you can also add essential oils to your own shampoo. You can add tea tree essential oil or peppermint essential oil. They go very well with shampoos. I have another video of black soap shampoo where I used ambuno to make it. If you don't have flax seeds, please, you can use ambuno to make yours. The video will be attached on the end screen or on the card that pops up on the screen. Guys, this shampoo softens and nourishes the hair so well. After using the shampoo, I never bothered about deep conditioning because it left my hair super soft, nourished and moisturized. Guys, go ahead and give this a shot and tell me how you feel about this shampoo. Guys, I fell in love with this shampoo. I remember sharing the one with the ambuno, and a lot of you came back with loads of amazing feedback telling me that you all loved that shampoo. Guys, you even love this even more than the one you made with ambuno. Go ahead and give it a shot, and I can't wait to hear your feedback. Look how healthy my hair is. Using these natural ingredients has made my hair improve so much. Some people say that they don't like black soap, but that's not when you try this shampoo. That's not when you try this particular recipe. Guys, after rinsing out, look at my hair. My hair was left super soft. My scalp was squeaky clean. Look, this shampoo didn't strip my hair. Can you see? You can even see the softness on the screen. Look at that. Combing was so easy. I don't just want to talk too much on this video. I want you to go try it and come tell me how you feel about this amazing shampoo. Guys, look at my scalp. Look at my scalp. Look how the comb is gliding through my hair. I promise you, you will love this shampoo. Use it on your wash day. Some of us wash our hair every week. Some wash twice a month. Just like me, I wash my hair every 2 weeks. After washing with this shampoo, I never even bothered about using deep conditioner. I went ahead and moisturized my hair and styled, and that was it. My hair was bouncy. My hair was nourished. Guys, look at that. Look at that bounce. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to hear your feedback on this shampoo. Please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.